Welcome guys, how's it going? Scrembo here with another great video presentation on Chainlink price prediction for the second part of the month of February 2024, aiming to discover as usually the most important details of this specific market from the price prediction standpoint. It seems like we have been successfully going to the targets I've been presenting in my videos towards the $20 mark, and considering the fact that we have been behaving just like we should have, it is a situation that becomes more and more predictable for the Chainlink. But at the same time, I do want to make sure you guys are starting to be careful at some point with your positions and take the right decisions. So we're going to speak about a price prediction for this particular part of the month, as well dive into the details. For those of you who enjoy this kind of videos, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, if you are getting inspired by all sorts of trading videos, we have one of my trades running around on the BTC. You might be familiar with that. It is a 45 Bitcoins long from 38,650s, $416,000 profit on that one. Definitely enjoying and writing this one and having a great time on the topic. For those of you that would like to participate in my trades, you can definitely do so in a copy trading format without any prior fee, just a commission from the profits we make. Completely outsourced, completely done for you with API trading permission. Simple and fine. At the same time, we have basically the one-on-one coaching program, which is only for serious people that are looking for financial freedom through cryptocurrencies. Whether we speak about part-time or full-time, it is something that you guys should consider working on, especially before the bull market starts. Get your weapons ready. We're going to speak about those ones at the end of the video. Now, the daily candlesticks are sitting something like that. In an HTF form, guys, we have certain structures that are representing a lapse. For example, 3 demand zones at the moment. At some point they were supplies. Now they have been reconfirmed into a different role, especially the upper one, which is something that I'd like to touch my base on. And the fact that we have been pushing into that level, especially with the ability to retrace between the zigzag point. The zigzag point is when you break out and you find yourself resistance on the 1.618 extension of the Fibonacci. You retrace back to the 1.41. When you are doing this movement with a reaction that is still bullish on the 1.41, you're basically putting together a pattern which is not going to get stuck back at 1.618, but it's pushing for number 2, which is the minimal target that the cryptocurrency is going to achieve. So we're going for the extension number 2, which is close to the $21 mark, right, for Link. And this is portraying some great outcomes, especially for the future. There's one thing to be afraid of will be the double extension lines. Double extension lines are located on 22 and 24. Those are levels which I would actually get concerned about a potential powerful sell-off. But at the same time, I would actually consider that Chainlink is giving the ability for nice comebacks every single time it has major supports. So keep in mind that any retracement we're going to get from those levels should be and will be heavily purchased by people, especially the traders that saw how money is being made with Chainlink. There's a lot of the users that are moving their attention from Solana, which is going downwards. Solana right now is down by 5 to 6% in the past 24 hours, and Chainlink is going to the upside. It's a total different journey. Of course, you made your money, guys. I mean, there's people that made tons of amounts of money from Solana during a certain period of time, but at the same time, it do not means that you need to marry with that and consider as the only solution for your financial assets, is basically my opinion, which means that diversifying or pretty much turning around to different directions that will pick the spotlight and just move probably very similar like Solana did in terms of percentages, it is basically the best way to go around it. That altcoins are moving in circle areas, and this is most likely representing their nature of activity on the markets, which means that we've got a category of alts moving at some point, slowing down, meanwhile the other one starts moving and keeps following the same patterns for pretty much a long period of time. That's where we are at the moment with Chainlink, guys. You got to be careful about those levels as soon as you get out of the number 2 extension. So 22, 24 out there for the second part of February 2024, including the ability that we are not going to lose the 2 levels we have that we cannot lose. The lowest side of the zone, which is $17, and the previous number 1 extension, which is at 16.6. right? So those are two levels that we cannot lose, guys, in terms of market dumping and a necessary reaction that is awaited. Although this is already, of course, for people that are participating at this time, chasing a pump behavior. So be careful. We're speaking about a daily candles. We're not speaking about speculatory 5 minutes or any other time frames that are dedicated to short-term trading. This is basically not a speculatory momentum on the daily. For that, it is a different technical, it is a different approach that we're having. That's it, guys. Once again, for those of you that would like to participate in my trades, you can definitely do so. Check out a spreadsheet and my journey. You can find out more on my page. Just like I said, no prior fee, just a commission from the pure profits made, including basically the one-on-one coaching for anyone that is serious about this business and would like to participate. Just check out basically the page, which is describing how does it work, including the video for detailed explanation, and then a free conversation with me if you're serious about on the topic. Enjoy, guys. We'll talk to you soon.